Hello and welcome to Supremacy. Today I'll be talking about step number 8 of the packaging design process, manufacturing. Designers need to keep in mind what happens with the packaging after it has completed its purpose during its lifespan. Food packages become redundant immediately after consumption. Sustainability is therefore vital to consider in the packaging design process and to reduce wastage. Packaging reduces food wastage from manufacturing to consumption. This reduction is the reason why designers need to find this balance between the quality of the package and the impact on the environment. After all the design stages have been completed and the artwork has been prepared for printing, it is followed by the manufacturing of the packaging design process. With the continued documentation of the packaging design process, it was established that 3 design options will be created to represent different aspects of sustainability and premium quality. The first is the generic coffee packaging shape in the form of recycled plastic material. The second is a cylindrical wax-shaped packaging that represents repurposing and partial biodegradable aspects. The third is a dual packaging in the form of a glass bottle that can be reused by purchasing the complete biodegradable refill sachets. To continue with the manufacturing stage of this process, the South African product manufacturing regulations needs to be taken into account. Container requirements look at aspects such as material, strength, durability, hygiene, seal properties, and do not add any undesirable taste or flavor to the contents thereof.
All of the options comply with the regulations, and each of the options have a one-way valve and has an eco-friendly paper label which will be printed through Print It ZA. The first packaging option is a recycled plastic bag. The recyclable plastic fulfills the requirements of food interaction regulations and has the versatility in design and recyclable processes. This packaging will be manufactured and purchased from the pouch shop. The packaging is made out of a black recycled plastic material with a foil inlay and has a one-way valve that contributes to the smell of the multi-sensory interaction experience. It is suitable for fast turnaround products where shelf life is not an issue. Packaging option 2 is a wax cylindrical packaging. It is manufactured through the brand itself with wax material which is made from petroleum such as paraffin candle wax, which is the strongest type of wax, and it is used as the outer layer of the packaging. The packaging is topped up with a paper cap on the top with its one-way valve. The process can further be explained how to manufacturing this packaging. You start this process by melting wax in a double boiler. You add black powder dye with a toothpick. You then prep the containers with oil. The outer layer is glass and the inner layer cardboard. You then wrap a long wick around the middle container. You add a short wick to the glass bottom, which is the outer container, and then you start pouring the wax in a layered format. First wax, then used coffee ground, and then wax again, and so forth. This coffee creates a scented sensory smell. Once the wax is completely set, you place it in an ice bath to move away from the container sides. After it is completely set and you pulled it out, you add a metal circle impression. This wax packaging adds to a repurposing and partial biodegradable aspects. The third option is a glass cube shaped packaging with a tin turn-on cap. This is manufactured by Consol and is completely recyclable infinitely. It can be reused once the refill bags have been purchased. The refill bags are a complete biodegradable bags purchased and manufactured through Green Homes. Each of these packaging has a transparent one-way valve that's 100% renewable plant-based material.
Coffee. Thanks for watching and see you next time.